Alright, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. I'm going to share a tip with you. I wish I learned this tip a long time ago. Actually, I did, in Israel. So at any rate, welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we have 1,000+ videos on a variety of subjects. Today we're going to talk about a tip on how to attach trim, such as this piece here. This is an oak piece, and I need to attach it here. Not so tricky to do here, but let's explain what the tricky part is. If you look at this piece here on both sides, I have it glued up and I have it clamped. You know as well as I do, once you put glue onto two pieces of wood, what happens? Woo, 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 they go all over the place, right? And so I learned this trick as a 15-year-old in Jerusalem in my wood shop. And I'm going to share that tip with you. It's very, very simple. You'll be surprised how simple this is. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take what are wire nails, just small wire nails. You're going to pound them in with a hammer. Tap, 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 tap. Then you're going to take a pair of wire cutters and you're going to just snip this off, just like this. That's it. Now, then you're going to take the piece and you're going to come over and you're going to eyeball it where it has to go, like so. And then you're going to pound it in with a hammer. Okay, I already did that ahead of time so I didn't have to fool around. You know how it is when you're making a video. So now the beautiful thing here is I can then take my glue, put the glue on here. I could take my bandy clamps. These are bandy clamps. I'm not sponsored by Rockwell. Rockwell, please sponsor me. I have a lot of your tools and I use them. They're great tools. This is called the bandy clamp, and you take it and you push it and it holds the piece of wood right where you need it to go. And now you're not hammering or nailing or screwing through the front of your finished piece. In this case, it's oak. So that's that. So in review, we know that when we're gluing up pieces of wood, you put the glue on, you put it onto the piece, it slides all over the place. And so how in the world are you going to, get that to stay in one place? You're going to take the nails, you're going to pound them in, snip the tops off, you're going to place it. And once again, the beauty of this is once you place it, it has to go back exactly where it came from, right? So it's not going to move. So that's my tip for you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It's a real quick video. I'm still trying to figure out how to do shorts in 60 seconds. So look forward to the shorts coming. I'm finding them very challenging. As a matter of fact, I just did a short and it just disappeared right off my phone. I don't know what happened. So I don't know if YouTube is doing this in beta still. They're just trying to figure out what's going on. I am a QA software guy and I test phones as well. So YouTube, you might want to work something out with me. Okay, so you may have noticed this unit I built years ago. It was over the other part of the kitchen. Now it's going to go over here by the door to the right of the countertop. So thank you for watching. We'll do our usual goodbye. Shalom uvracha. Masalami tot zinszeichen. Arrivederci. Au revoir. Take care. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, please. And let's keep having fun in our wood shop. In this case, the wood shop is up in the kitchen now. Take care.